Alright. The deltoid is located on the outer aspect of the shoulder. On the cat, the deltoid is separated into three parts: the clavodeltoid, acromiodeltoid, and spinal deltoid. The action of the deltoid is abduction of the shoulder, and the antagonist is the latissimus dorsi. The fibers of the deltoid are pinnate and run laterally across the pectoralis major. The origin of the deltoid is the clavicle, and its insertion is the humerus. This is the rhomboid major.
Okay, this is the trapezius. The action of the trapezius is to elevate the shoulders, and its antagonist is the pectoralis major. The origin of the muscle is the base of the skull, and its insertion is the clavicle. The fibers of the trapezius are convergent, which means the fibers cover a broad area but come together. A way to remember the trapezius is that it has a triangle shape, and trapezius and triangle both start with T.
This is the rhomboid major. It is located in between both scapulas. The action of the rhomboid is to retract the scapula. The origin of this muscle is the thoracic aspect of the vertebrae, and its insertion is the border of the scapula. The fibers of this muscle run parallel along each other. A way to remember this muscle is that both the major and minor form a diamond shape, which is the same as the shape of a rhomboid.
Okay, this is the erector spinae in the lavender color here. And this muscle runs along both sides of the vertebral column. The action of this muscle is to extend the spine, and its antagonist is the erectus abdominis, which flexes the spine. And the erector spinae is composed of many different muscles, so its origin ranges from the sacrum to the cervical aspect of the vertebrae. Its insertion ranges from the skull as well as the cervical part of the vertebrae. A way to remember this is erector means straighten, and spinae sounds like spine, in which the erector spinae straightens the spine.